Hey, hello, you. Yes, welcome to my channel, Learn with Tejaswini. I am Tejaswini Deshpande. I am a web developer and a WordPress developer, as well as I am a digital marketing trainer at STAENZ Academy, which is the leading digital marketing academy of India. So yes, when it comes to web development, I have worked on HTML, CSS, PHP, CodeIgniter, Laravel, and WordPress development. So I'm working on this since last more than 14 years. So it has been a long journey, a roller coaster ride, and I have learned a lot of things here that I'm going to share with all of you on this channel. So don't forget to subscribe, as well as people who are with me on Instagram. They know that I share a lot of tools and strategies. So, yes, I'm extending my journey from Instagram to YouTube so that I can reach more and more people, and I get more and more people in my family. Okay, so thanks again for watching this video, and I request you to accompany me in this journey where I'll be teaching how to program from basic level till we can go to more advanced programming things. I personally believe that if you are a 10-year-old or a 55-year-old, that doesn't matter. Okay, anyone can learn programming. It needs basic understanding is that all of you are having practice. Okay, practice. You need practice. You will be doing that. You're passionate. You're checking this video, so definitely I know that you're passionate about learning. And the third thing that you will be needing is a little bit logic that my friends, each one of you is having, so don't worry. So again, I'm asking you to accompany me in this journey, and we will learn a lot of things. See, teaching is my basic profession. I'm teaching students since last 3 years at the academy, and I know how you people learn. So don't worry, you will be learning a lot of things here. And one thing I forgot to share actually. I'm an Indian, so I know Hindi as well as Marathi. I can talk both the languages. So I'll be creating videos in all these three languages, English, Hindi, and Marathi. I'll try to help as much as possible to all of you. You can request me tutorials if you want. Feel free to message me, comment, and however you can contact me. I'll try my best to help you. Thanks a lot for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.